Technik Industrial Company Limited is an ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14000 certified manufacturer of jacks and sockets. Founded in 1978, our Hong Kong-based facility serves as our corporate headquarters, sales, and marketing operations. We have a wholly owned factory in Dongguan, which was built in 1995 and serves as our design center and manufacturing hub. Today we supply high-tech products from MP3 and DVD players, TVs, power supplies, computer and multimedia products. Alcatel, Flextronics, NEC, Philips Semiconductors, and Robert Bosch are among Technik's top customers. In order to stay competitive, we positioned ourselves as a market-oriented company. We provide a complete sourcing solution, taking care of everything from product design and production to testing and packaging. High quality, competitive pricing, and excellent service, we believe, are the key factors in earning customer satisfaction and a successful business. We're continually upping the ante, investing in training and quality improvements to cope with rapid market developments. As an environmentally minded manufacturer, all manufacturing processes at our factory are carried out, ensuring ISO 14000 and RoHS directives are maintained. A new factory was also built and commenced operations in March this past year. Talk to an expert with over 20 years of experience in the industry. Talk to Technik today.